Magandang araw mga kaguro. So, meron na naman tayong good news. Ewan ko nga ba kung good news ito. Pero DBM announces the effectivity of the salary increase for government workers. So, meron na pong schedule kung kailan po i-release yung salary increase ng mga government workers. Ito po ay ayon sa ating source. Ang sabi, government employees are expected to receive 2 phases of salary increases for the year 2024 and 2025, which will start appearing in their paychecks beginning January of 2025. Ibig po sabihin nito ay sa January na po makukuha yung salary increase sa 2024. This follows the Department of Budget and Management, DBM, allocating 70 billion within the proposed 6.352 trillion pesos national budget for 2025 to fund these hikes for state employees. During a palace briefing on Thursday, the Budget Secretary announced that the initial salary adjustment for this year would be retroactive, covering the entire period from January to December 2024. Ibig po sabihin yan ay from January to December 2024, makukuha po yan sa January 2025. And pag-start ng January 2025, magsisimula na rin yung salary increase for the year 2025. Yun lamang po ang update sa araw na ito, at saka mabuti na rin po kasi na may schedule na po kung kailan hindi na po tayo maghihintay sa wala.